You are a beginner in Java and you don't know how to make the output look nicer in Java? Don't worry, today I'm gonna teach you how to separate a long essay into different small parts. Hey, how is going? It's Anthony with Take a Sip, helping you step by step master Java programming. And if you're new here and you're into programming, please consider subscribing. As always, let's just create a new Java project. Right click and select Java project and give it a name. Let's call it printing today, and it's finished. And as always, again, we're gonna create a new class by right click and select class. So we're gonna give it a beautiful name like statement printing. Okay, make sure to check this box and hit finish. Okay, so if you start watching my tutorial from the very beginning, you will know program to print out hello world into the console. It's very easy, so I'm gonna write it again today. So we're gonna write hello world, very easy. And if we run it, oops, oh, I'm missing a dot here. So if we run again, it will show the hello world in the console, right? And this program can be written by a 5-year-old kid, so we cannot make any mistake in this, right?
Okay.
However, today we're gonna do something different. So if you think about it, you can write anything in here. It's pretty sweet, right? So we can write like just anything. But now we're gonna write an essay. For example, we have an essay like this. So the essay is, hello everyone, the owner of Take a Sip is a very nice guy. He loves his family, his girlfriend, and everyone except for the one who don't subscribe to his channel. So please subscribe. And if you run this program, you will see hello everyone. The essay is printed in the console here. But the problem is, if we want to read all the essay, we need to kind of scroll it like this. And if we want to read all the words and all the sentences, we need to scroll. And that is kind of inconvenient, right? So to make it easier to read, we need to split this essay into different sentences. So we're gonna create one more System.out.print, and we put the second sentence in the essay into the second printout statement, and create another one, still System.out.print, and put the last sentence in the essay into the third printout statement. And if we run this file, we will still get the same result, right? So what is the key here? So if we want to put each sentence in each line in the terminal, we need to replace print here by println, which stands for print line. So each of the sentence here will be printed in a new line in the console. So if you replace print by println and run the file again, and we will get hello everyone in the first line, the owner in the second line, and he loved his family in the third line. Okay, so what is the difference between print and println? So when we use println, the print out statement right after that print line statement will be printed in the new line. So here the owner of Take a Sip is a very nice guy is printed in the new line compared to the hello everyone statement. Okay, in contrast, if we use print here, the next print will be printed in the same line. So if we replace print line to print right here and run the file, the owner of Take a Sip will be printed in the same line as the statement hello everyone here. And now let's try something different. So if we replace println here by print, can you guess what will be printed in the console? I will give you 3 seconds to guess the answer. and comment down below the answer for you for the question. Okay. Thumbs up. So if we run this program, we will get all the sentence in the same line. So why is that? So the System.out.print right here, it will print out the hello everyone in one line, and the second print out statement, the owner of take a sip, will be printed in the same line with the hello everyone statement. And here he loves his family and his girlfriend will be printed in the same line as the owner of take a sip. So if we add another line right here, so this line, this printout statement will be printed in the next line. So if we say System.out.print, oh yeah,
can I get a oh yeah?
we will get oh yeah in the next line. Okay, do you understand? All right. So what if you only want to use the print statement instead of the println? Is there any way to make the print statement do exactly like the println? Yeah, there is one way to do that. So to do that, we're gonna create another example to show you. So we're gonna put subscribe to this channel into the parenthesis, and we put the /n at the end of the line here, and create another System.out.print, and inside of the parenthesis we're gonna put please here. So when we write like this, please will be printed in the next line compared to the subscribe to this channel because of the /n. So if we run the code, you will see please will be printed in the next line compared to the subscribe to this channel. So in this case, subscribe to this channel is printed in the same line as the oh yeah, because the print statement that print out the oh yeah statement is System.out.print. So if we put the /n at the end of the string oh yeah, subscribe to this channel will be printed in the next line compared to oh yeah. So if we run the code, so you can see subscribe to this channel is printed in the next line compared to oh yeah. So we can do like this. You know, the plus sign in string is to merge two strings together, and if you run, you will get the same result. And the /n, you can put that in a pair of apostrophe /n right here, and you will still get the same result. Okay, make sure to subscribe so that you can see all of my newest video as soon as it's come out. And if this tutorial is helpful, smash the like button and share if you think it can help someone you know.